We need to cut off the ends right here. And then slice them in half again. Here they are as we just pop them into the air fryer. And you can see that they have just a little bit of glistening to them. So that's the oil that we used in there with them. If we want to add a little more flavor in here, you could certainly pop in some chili powder or whatever else you'd want to put in there with them. But we're just going to try them just the way they are for this first run. Here's one of the things that I just love about using the Instapot is that it beeped at me and it told me to go ahead and turn my food over. So I did. So you can see how these are coming along. They're coming along very nice. Wow. So here's what my Brussels sprouts look like just after 12 minutes in that air fryer. They are fabulous. I'm going to toss these with a little bit of lemon and some Parmesan cheese before serving.